Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials done quickly. Install Close and sign in with your work email, then allow notifications and background refresh so the app can surface leads. Once signed in, import contacts via CSV or sync with Google or Outlook. This avoids manual entry and preserves tags. Make sure to confirm duplicates and map fields like phone and company. Doing this now saves hours later. You'll be ready to build pipelines in the next step. Now you build the meat of your process. Create 1 to 3 pipelines that match your sales stages: prospect, demo, closed, and name them clearly so your team knows where to move deals. Then add automated tasks. Schedule follow-up emails, call reminders, and SMS sequences at set intervals to keep momentum. Use custom fields and filters to qualify leads and save views for daily queues. These steps reduce manual work and ensure every lead progresses. Finish by running a short test with 5 to 10 records. Move them through the pipeline, trigger automations, and verify call and email logs. This confirms everything behaves as expected. Next, enable reporting dashboards so you can monitor conversion rates and task completion daily. If something breaks, reconnect integrations first, then clear the app cache and re-import any affected records. This fixes most sync issues. If problems persist, gather screenshots and logs before contacting support so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.